What's up, YouTube? Another day, another dollar. Real talk. Okay, so lately I've been figuring out a new way to determine my daily bias. So I'm gonna show y'all how I do my daily bias and my time frames. Um, yeah, I'm gonna do my daily bias. I'm gonna show y'all how I determine my daily bias and how I determine my time frames, and then I'm gonna show y'all a trade I did. So let me just open up right here. So about 1 minute here. Clean my camera off. Okay, we back. Okay, we back. So, boom, this is how I determine my daily bias. And I'm gonna show y'all a trade that I did take. Let me make sure I'm recording. Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna show y'all my trade I did take, and this is how I determine my daily bias. So firstly, I look for my previous day high. That's my previous day high. And my previous day low, I usually do where the candle closes. Which of the previous low though, of the previous low, this is basically a protected swing high. Slow? Yeah, a protected swing high. That mean like there's no way it's passing above this line right here. This is preview. Oh my god. Alright, this is previous that low, and what the fuck? This is previous day low, and then this is previous. Alright, this is previous day high, previous day low. And determining on the opening candle if it'll go above the previous day high or below the previous day low, and that'll determine our bias. Since it closed below the previous day low, or it went below the previous day low, we were already taking a bearish trend of the day. So, and this is today. This is today. So I drop down to my 1 hour and I look for point of interest, my POIs. And I don't go really too far in that, exactly like previous day, like protective high. You see, it's protective, not the previous days. Oh, actually, you know what? This is a break of structure right here too, but and I could really. Okay. Anyways. But okay, so we have our previous day high and our previous day low. This is previous day low. You see, it's trying to break above the previous day low. This is our previous day high, which is protected, as you can see, because it created another high right here and another high right here. And I kind of waited for my time frame when to take my trades. So when I took this trade, it was 3 a.m. New York session. I mean London session, 3 a.m. And let me see. I did I analyzed like beforehand right here, this little section right here at 2 o'clock. So we see a fair value gap right here. It wasn't really respected yet. But I mean, you really can't count that as a fair value gap. But I guess. And it crossed over our previous day low, meaning it's finna create a new low. And it's still bearish. And then I drop down to my 5 minute. My 5 minute is where I determine my entry, when I should get in, when to get out. And when I opened in here, it was about right here. I seen the protective low right here. Mark that out, and I marked its previous 5 minute high. technically it's kind of dookie. But since it passed over, I already know it's going in a downtrend, as you can see. And we also had a bearish fair value gap, very respected. And I was looking at it because if it would have broke against that fair value gap, just put my shit at break even, and we get it right there. But if it would have broke against this fair value gap, it would have been an inverse fair value gap, and then we would have waited for the tap, and that's when we go for the long. But it's just a regular fair value gap, and it's well kind of respected, and we got like, yep, it went breakdown. It's hard to trust this little process right here when it consolidates, but it never went over this high. That's also what we could see right there. It never went over this high right here. It made a new high right there. So yeah, and then I put my stop loss at my protective high because it's not touching it. You feel me? It's not touching it. So we really could have gone in right here. But you never know when like with this type of thing, like if it taps, it might bounce up. It might bounce up. So this is, I think it was a 1 to 5 ratio. Um on 1 to 5. I got a lot of pips from that. I think it was like 750 pips. Um last time was not big. Made $153 starting at the account at 10,000. This is a back test anyway, so it's like it doesn't really count. I'm finna try not to back test like so much, cause like I could be stuck at back testing and have no confidence in a real market. So I really want to try that. I really I really do want to try that, but I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna have to see. No, not I don't know. I'm gonna do it. It's just waking up, man. That's really a struggle, and I really need to have discipline when I'm doing stuff like that. So that's one thing. I just do that though. Okay.